to China, United States provides F-A-18 jet for Indian aircraft carrier. The F-A-18 Super Hornet's successful completion of its trials in Goa earlier this year reinforced its ability to effectively and safely operate off Indian Navy carriers, the fighter aircraft's maker, American aviation giant Boeing, said Wednesday. The American firm, which is in competition with French aviation major Dassault Aviation for a mega Indian Navy contract for new fighters, said two U.S. Navy F-A-18E Super Hornets had completed multiple ski jumps, roll-in and fly-in arrestments, when an aircraft lands on a carrier and decelerates rapidly using arresting gear. They also did performance flights, in a variety of weights in the air-to-air, air-to-ground, and air-to-surface configurations, meeting the Indian Navy test requirements. The company asserted that the F-A-18 Super Hornet was designed and built for carrier operations, and is fully compliant with the aircraft carriers INS Vikramaditya and INS Vikrant. This development is a challenge for China, which has just launched its third aircraft carrier 003 named Fujian. Besides India, China's neighboring countries that are also developing aircraft carriers are South Korea, Japan, and Singapore, which are consumers of the F-35B.